This is a quick tutorial to show you how to set up your new portfolio on the Digication platform. So I have navigated over to digication.com. This information was also provided in the email communication that came out from the University of Denver about the merger to the Digication platform. But if you're starting from scratch, you would go to digication.com, and then if you click login, you can see that you can just enter the University of Denver, and then it pops up right there. And then you would need to sign up to set up your account, which I have already done. So I'm going to be able to just log straight in. So then once you get into the Digication platform and to the University of Denver portal within that platform, you can see that over here on the left sidebar, there are a number of different options here. If you want to get into to your own account, you can do that through there. The home button should show the templates that are available to you. There's a student template here, but this was created by the University of Denver, and it has more of a undergraduate student focus. So you can see here that University College, we have a template that is set up that is more specific to what we think our students will be using. And it is possible that there will be additional templates here set up here for students who are in different programs based on the needs of the program, like the ICT program or the IDT program or the PRI program. But for now, we're going to go into this template, and you can see that you can choose a thumbnail. You can set up a title for it, which you might want to call it by your name or whatever works for you. And then you can create, click create. And there's a little bit of a pause while we're waiting on that. So we're going to close out just for a second, and we're going to go over here. If you want to see examples of other people's portfolios, you can go over to this ePortfolio link, and you can see here that you can scroll through public portfolios that have been created by different departments and different people, faculty, students. These are public. You can see here there's an About Digication, one that you can click on if you want to learn a little bit more, get an overview, better understand how to use Digication, some different policies and things like that. So then we're going to go back here again, and we're going to go to home, and we're going to click on the portfolio that I just set up. So you can see that you can modify really everything within here. This is a template, but you can change the name of all of these things. So you need to go over and unlock, And then you would click over here, say that you want to change the heading. So you would highlight that, and Cindy Gregg, and then you can change all of these. You can turn them into different uh, different links to different sections and rename these. But if you want to work with what's here, you can see that we've provided some guidance, some directions for how you might use this. And really, the best way is just to start clicking around. So again, you can see I go over here and I unlock this section in order to be able to edit it. And then I can lock that back up. Once you edit this section, then the directions, you can hide the directions. You can change the images. There's actually an image library that you can choose from, or you can upload your own images. And so as you click around, I think you will find that it is relatively easy to navigate through the portfolio, modify it to your needs, and create really the portfolio that you want, whether that be for internal use for your classes and to upload your assignments so that you're in prep for your final portfolio capstone if you're in one of the programs that has that as a culminating course, or if you want it to be public facing, if you want to put your work in there so that an employer or a prospective employer will be able to see your progress and your skills and competencies as you go through the program.